What is happening? Jonathan Dunkerley here. You can call me Dunk. And today I'm going to show you how you can start making $1,000 a day even if you never used AI before. Inside this video, I'm going to give you a free trial to a tool that lets you resell access to ChatGPT. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to find paying clients who are actually looking for these solutions. And the best part, we're going to find these clients using Google Maps. If you want access to everything, a trial to the AI tool that lets you resell ChatGPT, as well as a 5-day AI challenge that's going to help you land your first client. So just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll send you the details. Now let's dive into how this works. Normally, you can't resell access to ChatGPT. OpenAI doesn't have any kind of affiliate program or any resell program, but what you could do is use tools that integrate with ChatGPT and sell AI chatbots to businesses. What does this actually mean? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You could set up an AI chatbot on pretty much any website, and businesses will pay every single month to use these chatbots. Think of it like them replacing an employee, something that they would have to pay more to do the same exact task. Let's go look at an example on Google Maps. I am going to search for auto shops near me. Now it's given us a couple different results. We have a few that are sponsored, and then we have one with no website, which is also an opportunity. And then we have this one right here. Let's take a look at Porter's Garage. Hit the website. Now we can see that this is a repair shop, and look at this. They do not have a chatbot. They have a Google business review, which we could see back from our Google Maps, that they actually have 102 positive reviews over on Google Maps. So they value promoting, so they're already spending money to make sure that they are well received. Not having a chatbot on their website is a huge problem. Why? Because customers expect instant responses. If someone can't get an answer right away, they'll just go on to the next business. I mean, think about it this way. If they went to Google Maps and searched for the local businesses, and this one didn't give them the answer they wanted right away, they might just scroll down to the next option. They still have some pretty good reviews, and they have a website. And that's where you come in. You can offer these businesses an AI-powered chatbot that answers questions, books appointments, and helps them capture more leads automatically. And since they would have to pay an employee to do these tasks otherwise, they will happily pay you because you're saving them money and getting them more business. So they will happily pay for it every single month. If you wanted to get started with the trial with this tool that you could resell ChatGPT, you could head over to startlistnow.com. And once you get in there, they have an AI 5-day employee challenge. I highly recommend that you jump into that. This free education will help jumpstart the amount of clients that you're going to be getting right off the bat. Now I'm going to show you how easy it will be once you start getting those clients to help them create these chatbots. Now we are going to go over here to Conversation AI. This is under the settings in the tool, and I'm going to go over and click on Create Conversation AI Bot. And this is going to create a brand new bot for us. Now it gives us a couple templates right here, as well as a start from scratch. If we wanted it to be like Q&A, maybe somebody needs to ask if they can get an oil change or something about that, then we would just go with general Q&A. If we wanted it to start from scratch, we could just start from scratch. Now, if we wanted to say maybe we wanted to book appointments for us, we can hit continue. Now we have created our bot. Now this is Porter's Garage, so I'm going to go and just call this Porter's Garage chatbot. And this isn't just for text messages. You could also do this for Instagram in Instagram Messenger or Facebook in Facebook Messenger. You could also do a regular chat widget as well as live chat, and also within WhatsApp, which is also owned by Meta or Facebook. So there are a lot of integrations that you could do directly right here. Now we can click here under bot training, where we could have our chatbot actually scrape or crawl the website and collect information about their website and their business, creating the chatbot that is more informed about their business. For example, I could take this auto shop repair website. I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it into the chatbot tool. Now there are a few different little options right here on the side. You could say extract URL. We could say all URLs within this path and all URLs in this domain. What I'm going to actually pick, you could pick which one works best for you, but I'm going to pick all in the domain because I want it to be as trained as possible on this information. And boom, look at this. Within seconds, I'm going to have a bunch of data about this website that my chatbot can inform potential clients about on their website. I'm going to click get data, and it actually found 31 pages that it is going to crawl. So in seconds, it trains itself to answer customer questions based on what the site's content has. It will take a few minutes to do this because it is crawling now 31 pages on this website. Now what we do is we view all the pages and let it scrape all of that just to get as much information as we can, and we're going to train the bot off of what it got off of these pages. And just like that, everything is trained and we have a whole bunch of accurate data for this business that the bot could use to inform the customer so they don't have to find it on the website or call them. And if we want to see what prompt it created, we can click this little tiny thing right here, and it's going to bring up all the information right here that's going to be able to share with the customer. And then of course you could fine tune and customize each one of these bots for every single customer that you get. And because this is a tool that they're not going to want to get rid of, they're going to be making more money, have a better customer experience. They're going to continue to pay you every single month. But maybe if you wanted to add more value, you could also add things like AI voice agents, which are also included within this same tool. I'm sure most of us have actually been called by AI voice agents by this point. It is an automated voice messaging system where you could have them call them, book an appointment, make verifications, confirm things. It's like a personal assistant, but it is an AI agent. You could have your customer call that number, or you could even have outgoing calls where it calls the customer. But now we can ask the bot our question: can you repair radiators? And it will start this conversation, and then you could fine tune and add ways for it to book appointments, cause triggers, have different parts of contact information get filled in, so the bot can learn more about your customers, as well as automatically book appointments, as well as just start automations. So you're going to be able to show these businesses this before they even pay you. Imagine how powerful it is when they see this working in real time. They'll be begging you to pay and keep it running. Once you solve one problem with something like a chatbot on their website, you're going to be able to add on things like the voice messaging service, adding on and creating more services that you're going to be able to fulfill for their business. You could think of it like a bundle discount for a business service. Some businesses are even replacing their entire customer service team with AI tools like these. So why wouldn't you be the one providing the solution? In all honesty, I feel like this is going to be the direction that pretty much all of this is going to be heading. So you're going to be able to get ahead of it, and you're going to be able to provide these services, and you won't have to actually go and create the tool yourself. You just need to go and resell it and then take your profit. So what should you do next? If you want to go and help these businesses find these AI solutions, which they're either going to find them from you, or a little bit down the line, they're going to find them from somebody else. So they might as well be paying you. So go ahead and go to startlistnow.com and grab a free trial to the tool, and then go to the AI Employee Challenge, and it will help you start getting your first business clients, solving these solutions for them. And remember, I just showed you how you could find a business right here on Google Maps, and you could do this for any local business. It works really, really well. And since this is actually going to be your tool that you are selling them, you could even offer them a free trial so they can get started and see how it works. And then once they see how much better their business is, they're not going to cancel. Most businesses say yes because they see that it is instant value and it saves them time and makes them more money. If you're serious about making these $1,000 days reselling AI tools, now is the time to jump in. Go and jump into that AI challenge. Drop a comment below if you are going to go join that AI challenge. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll send you everything that you need to get started. That's it for today. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.